The Agree to Terms add-on just displays a little checkbox in the cart that asks people to agree to terms before checking out. So right now we can't see it because it's not activated. With all of these add-ons, just head to the theme settings, Debutify add-ons, and then check on the add-on you'd like to use. Now with it activated, we won't be able to actually check out until we agree to those terms. And you can change that text inside of the add-on. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.